Welcome to Choice Champions. The best cow collar is probably one of the most versatile and essential accessories for any cattle owner, offering a unique blend of functionality and durability that can significantly impact herd management and animal well-being. This innovative product is designed to provide reliable identification, track vital health metrics, and even assist in monitoring grazing patterns, making it an indispensable tool for modern farming operations seeking efficiency and precision. Its robust construction ensures longevity in demanding environments, while its user-friendly design simplifies application and maintenance, ultimately contributing to healthier livestock and more streamlined farm management practices. Number 5. Limeloot Cow Print Dog Collar. Introducing our charming cow print dog collar, a delightful addition to our farm animal collection. It's designed in the USA to bring a touch of cuteness to your furry friend. Crafted from extra soft and durable polyester twill, this collar ensures maximum comfort for your pet. The vibrant colors are printed using a sublimation process, so they stay bright and won't fade over time. We've equipped it with a high-quality buckle and D-ring, strong enough to withstand even the most energetic pups. You can trust its durability for everyday adventures. With its adjustable sizing, this collar is designed to fit almost any breed, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit for your male or female dog. It's the perfect accessory for dogs of all sizes. This medium-sized collar is not only stylish but also practical for daily wear. Please note, it is not designed for tie-out use, but it's perfect for walks and everyday outings. What we like. This one features a super cute farm animal print that's designed in the USA. It's made from extra soft and durable polyester twill for maximum comfort. If you're looking for a stylish and comfortable collar for your furry friend, this is a great choice. If you want something that stands out and feels great, consider this. What people say. Good fit and easy to adjust to the correct size. The band is a good size and I can spot it even when some of my dog's fur is covering it. The design is prettier in person and the clip as well as the D-ring are still going strong, especially with her tags on the collar. As well as on walks and retraining. Color and design is stunning. The clasp is a bit stiff but sturdy. Size is great for my Australian Shepherd. This collar is so cute and so well made. I'm definitely going to buy a second one for when she gets bigger or wears this one out. We are a huge car racing family and this collar fits in perfectly. Number 4. BEILER'S Manufacturing 4840 Cow Collar. Introducing the BEILER'S Manufacturing Cow Collar. This durable collar is designed for your livestock's comfort and safety. Crafted for longevity, it offers a reliable solution for animal handling. You can trust its strength in various conditions. Specifically made for cows, this collar ensures a proper and secure fit. It's an essential tool for any farm or ranch. BEILER'S Manufacturing is known for its quality. This product reflects their commitment to excellent craftsmanship and durable materials. Its design makes it straightforward to use, saving you time and effort. Experience the convenience it brings to your daily tasks. With a 112x48 size, it provides an optimal fit for most cows. Ensure your animals are comfortable and secure with this collar. What we like. This is a straightforward cow collar designed for horse halters and leads. It's made by BEILER'S Manufacturing. If you're specifically looking for equipment for horses and need a reliable halter or lead component, this would be your go-to. It's built for that specific equestrian purpose. What people say. Well-made, sturdy, heavy-duty hardware, fits great on our adult British white cow who is on the large side. Nice supple leather, great size and quality. Beautiful leather, very well crafted and strong durability. Number 3. DOITOOL Cow Collar Canvas Calf Collar. Introducing the DOITOOL Cow Collar, a durable and comfortable neck strap designed for your livestock. It's an essential accessory for managing your farm animals with ease. This collar features an adjustable buckle for a secure and customizable fit. It ensures your livestock, including calves, sheep, and horses, are comfortably and safely managed. Designed with thickened canvas material, it provides a cozy growing environment without hurting your cattle's neck. It's a helpful accessory for convenient feeding and care. The explosion-proof buckle design enhances extra durability, ensuring this collar can withstand the rigors of farm life. It's built to last and provide reliable performance. Crafted from high-quality canvas material, it guarantees safety, durability, and comfort for your farm animals. This traction necklace is a practical choice for sheep, horses, and pets. What we like. This collar is made of thickened canvas material, ensuring it's safe and comfortable for your livestock's neck. It also features a durable explosion buckle for extra security. If you need a reliable and safe accessory for feeding cattle or providing a cozy environment for your farm animals, this is an excellent option. Its focus on safety and durability makes it ideal for farm use. What people say. The collar is made of durable material and has held up well to daily wear and tear. The adjustable strap ensures a comfortable and secure fit for my cow. The integrated GPS tracker is accurate and provides real-time location updates. Number 2. Moxweyeni 3-piece loud dog collar bells. Introducing our set of 3 loud dog collar bells, designed to add a touch of charm and functionality to your pet's accessories. These can be used daily to dress up your furry friends. Attach these small bells to your pet's collar. When they move, the clear sound helps you roughly know their direction and distance, making tracking easier. Crafted with iron and an electroplating process, these bells are protected from rust. The sturdy nylon strap ensures they can be used for a long time. These bells aren't just for dogs and cats, they're also suitable for goats, cows, and sheep. They can even be used for early childhood education or holiday decorations. Measuring approximately 4.7 by 1.4 inches, these bells with straps attach securely to your pet's collar. They are designed to stay in place and not get lost easily. What we like. This product comes as a set of 3 loud dog collar bells with nylon straps. They are made of rust-proof iron and designed to make a clear sound when your pet moves, helping you track their location. If you're looking for a way to easily locate your pets, especially smaller ones like dogs, goats, or sheep, these bells are perfect. They also add a decorative touch and can be used for various other applications. What people say. Ideal for pheasant hunting, loud enough to keep track of our GSP in the field. My dog loves to roam on the property, so I attach one of these to her collar and you can hear it for over a mile. Great little bell for a flushing bird dog. So many hunters have a cheap turkey bell from big box stores. This bell resonates so much different. Keeping track of your dog in heavy cover with other dogs working is now so much easier. Number 1. Adjustable 4-layer nylon thickened cow collar. Introducing our premium animal collar, crafted from high-quality, 4-layer thickened nylon. It's designed for superior strength and longevity, ensuring it won't easily age or wear out. Featuring a robust metal buckle with 2 rows of secure fastening, this collar offers a reliable and strong hold. It's built to withstand the rigors of daily use. The adjustable design allows you to easily customize the neck circumference for a perfect, comfortable fit. It's ideal for a range of livestock, including cattle and sheep. Specifically designed to meet the demands of animal husbandry, this collar is lightweight and simple to use. It provides essential growth accessories for your livestock. This collar is not only strong and durable but also incredibly versatile. Its construction ensures it's a reliable choice for various animal needs, promoting comfort and growth. What we like. This collar is constructed with 4-layer thickened nylon and a strong 2-row metal buckle for superior durability. Its adjustable design ensures a comfortable fit for various livestock. If you are involved in animal husbandry and need a robust, long-lasting collar for horses, sheep, cattle, or even dogs, this is a highly suitable choice. Its strength and adjustability cater to the practical needs of livestock management. What people say. This collar appears comfortable on my cows. The collars don't impede them, yet I can still tie them in the milking stand. A good, sturdy product. Very nice quality and works great on our calf. This collar was very strong and durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.